All right, guys, we got a 2017 Toyota Camry. In today's video, we're gonna change this hood shock. That's what it's called. We got two from Amazon. 40 bucks is the maximum you're gonna pay. Check this out. Let it go. You see this hood? It wants to come down on its own, so it's not holding. So we're gonna replace both. Usually one is dead, but you gotta change them both. Okay, so very simple and easy to do this. So all you need is a pick or a flathead screwdriver, and we're gonna remove this together. Okay, so we're gonna come and look at this. You see this right here? Let's bring the camera closer. You're gonna take your pick, whatever you have. You're just gonna go in here. Make sure this doesn't hit you in the face. Just come out halfway, and then this guy should just come off just like that. Same thing down here. Let's take a look down here. You're gonna go in back of this little metal retainer here, and just lift it out. This should take you only 5 minutes to do both of these, and a little bit of struggle, but this guy will come out. So pretty much this is all we're doing, just lifting this little guy. You can go from the back end here, just lift it up so it can release the gap in the middle. So to put the new one in, it's very simple. You don't need no tool. You take this little guy and it clips in, and then let's take a look at the top. You're gonna go back up, and that's it. Let's do the other side. Okay, now same process. We're gonna go right here. You're gonna lift this up and hold the hood. You're gonna have to hold the hood because one shock is not gonna support this. Same thing down here, same thing down here. You're gonna lift this out and your shock will just come right out. 5-minute job. You take this new one here, and a lot of people like to put grease there, but it has grease in there and it has grease in here, so you really don't have to put anything. You stick this in and just squeeze it in, then you come back to the top and you stick this in. And now if you back up, your hood is not gonna come down no more. Okay, it's gonna hold itself up. That's it. 5 minutes, gonna save you a headache from going to the dealer. Thank you for watching my video.